So it was a great experience. It was eye-opening. It's interesting when you're in a place and you're there every day, the things you don't see, the things you miss, the things you kind of overlook, the things you don't notice. So it was great having someone come out, speak with us, look at it from a different perspective, a different point of view, to get some feedback from it. So it was super helpful. So beforehand, I think my thoughts were, we'll see. Let's give it a try, but I'm not really sure how valuable this will be, or if we'll get anything out of it. But I did go into it with open mind, kind of thinking, all right, well, let's see. Maybe there are some good things that we can learn from it. And I think by the end of it, it was well worth it. There's a lot of things that we took away from this, both big and small, changes that we can apply to our business that I think will help increase profitability, increase the flow of how we work, and just create a better business for our employees and our customers. So I would say try it. That's kind of where I was in the beginning. I can say I had a good experience from doing it, but it's just worth it to try it. You won't be any worse off. You can only get better. Whether it's one thing or 100 things that you pick up from it, one thing could significantly change your profitability. If several things happen out of it, even more so. So I'm super excited to see what happens with us over the next few months as we put into practice, I guess, the things that we learned over the last couple of days here. Looking forward to that.